Do day one of Vlogmas? Paw, paw, yeah! Woo!
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
What's up, YouTube? I'm here. I just woke up. I woke up like this. I know you're jealous of my hair. But I am here to do Vlogmas! Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna give you the rundown of what I'm doing today for Vlogmas and what my day entails. Right now, I just woke up and it's almost 11 o'clock, which is a win in my book. I don't usually wake up early on the weekends. So I just woke up. I talked to my friend Christina on the phone, which is fantastic. I'm probably going to sit here and watch my dogs lay in the sun as I debate whether or not to put real clothes on. And then tonight, I actually get to go to something called a Dwell dinner, which is super exciting. So about a week ago, I found out that I have a blogger that literally lives like 2 houses away from me. She's not a teacher, she's a freelance blogger. And it's super exciting to run into somebody else who kind of understands like blogging and like that whole online community and understands that kind of stuff. So we were messaging through Instagram DM, and what ended up happening was she invited me to come to a Dwell dinner, and Dwell dinner is actually a whole company, it's a Dwell dinner co, which all this information is going to be linked below for you, so don't worry, I'll get you, I will. So I'm going to a Dwell dinner, and what it is it's this dinner of like strangers basically, and that sounds really bad. That sounds really bad. Let me try this again. So Dwell Dinner Co. was founded by a student from UNL. And the whole idea was to connect and collaborate with people who you never would have met otherwise. So a Dwell Dinner is a dinner that takes place within someone's home, and they invite people into their house and you have a conversation. Each dinner has a theme, and this one is all about wise ideas or brilliant ideas. And we're gonna talk about like growing on your, your brand, and how do you do that, and how do you stay true to yourself, which is right up my alley, and I'm so excited, and I'm also absolutely terrified. So I will take you with me to that as well. I'm really nervous, I'm not gonna lie, like I'm super nervous, because I don't think any of these people are teachers. Which might be a refreshing change of pace. So yeah, there you go. That's what's happening today. I might leave the house. Honestly, I probably need to leave the house because I really want coffee. And I don't want to make coffee. But I have to put pants on. And I have to look like a normal human. And so begins the debate of whether or not I need to put on clothes today. The baby snooze. Should I go get coffee? I know. I would have to put pants on. Should I put pants on? What do you think? Okay. Bye. Oh, sorry. I messed up your fur. It was a good talk. Oh, what? I'm gonna get your toys. Oh! No, you can't have both. You can't have both. Hey! Ow. Oh, yes. Do not bite towards my hand.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase.
Jim, are you gonna come play? You're gonna play? You look pretty cozy. Is that a no? So I put clothes on, and my husband took my car to get an oil change yesterday. So now I have to fix everything. But now I'm gonna go get coffee. And I have to pick up I have to pick up a prescription. So I guess I left the house today. Points for me! Okay, so it is now 5:10 and I went and got coffee, I went and got a prescription, and then I came home and I've been working on different things on my computer, and then I fell asleep and took a nap, and I just woke up and I realized that I did not eat lunch today. And I love food. So now I'm making a turkey corn dog because I have to get ready to go to this 12 dinner and I'm not about to show up and eat like a pig or end up with like a headache because my blood sugar is so low. So I'm gonna make myself a turkey corn dog and then I'm gonna fix this. Because although my Instagram followers completely understand that this is just how I look sometimes, these complete strangers will not have any idea that this is normal. Kyle's eating. Good, good. So I'm gonna make this turkey corn dog, and then I will show you me getting ready because I don't do it often. So these people should feel really special that I'm actually going to do my hair because it doesn't happen often. Because there's a lot of it and it's naturally curly and it is a pain in the butt to do. Let me tell you, you know what I need? Someday I hope I have my own glam squad where I can sit down and people can just make me look human. Because doing it myself is exhausting. And really, I don't know that I do a great job. Goal in life, have my own glam squad. Glam squad. Goal in life, have my own glam squad. I got a squad. Now I need a glam squad. Corn dog. Corn dog. Oof. Should tone down my excitement for a corn dog. Showered, hair is dried, and looks like I stuck my finger in a light socket. Now it's time to do makeup.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Guys, so there is my day one of Vlogmas. My experience at Well Dinner was simply amazing. I stayed super late and talked to so many people that I met last night that I'm late editing this video. So I will share day 2 of Vlogmas and let you know what I'm doing actually today. But I hope you enjoyed this first one. And my videos are always going to be a day behind. I hope to keep up as soon as I go back to school because I do work until the 22nd. But I hope you enjoyed it. So yay, day 1 of Vlogmas. Woohoo! I'll see you guys next time.